Welcome back to Car Flair. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most extraordinary vehicles ever built in Japan, the all-new 2025 Global King 8. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a luxury penthouse on wheels. While most Japanese RVs focus on compact efficiency, the Global King 8 shatters expectations with size, elegance, and technology that rivals five-star hotels. Built on a modified Hino Profia heavy-duty truck chassis, the Global King 8 stretches to nearly 12 meters in length, making it one of the largest legal road vehicles in Japan. Its commanding presence is matched by a sleek exterior design, complete with full-length LED lighting, glossy composite panels, and retractable awnings. Every angle reflects a deep attention to detail. This motorhome isn't just about comfort, it's about making a statement wherever it goes. Step inside, and you'll instantly forget you're in a vehicle. The interior feels like a luxury suite, with handmade Italian leather seating, warm wood accents, and marble countertops. Ambient LED lighting runs across the ceilings and floor edges, creating a calm, upscale atmosphere. The spacious living area includes a lounge with a curved OLED 4K television, an electric fireplace, and heated floors. Yes, heated floors in a motorhome. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including a convection oven, induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, and even a dishwasher. Storage is intelligently designed, with hidden compartments and soft close cabinetry that add to the seamless aesthetic. Across from the kitchen, a dining space comfortably seats four, offering full window views for scenic meals on the road. The master bedroom is set apart in the rear, featuring a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, surround sound, and blackout blinds for complete privacy and comfort. A walk-in wardrobe provides space for extended trips, and the onboard washer-dryer combo ensures you're always ready for your next destination. Even the bathroom is luxurious, with a full-size rainfall shower, heated Japanese bidet toilet, and touchscreen mirror controls. It's rare to find this level of sophistication in a motorhome, especially in Japan, where RVs are typically compact. Tech lovers will appreciate the full smart home integration. Lighting, climate, and entertainment can all be controlled via touchscreens or voice commands. There's satellite internet, 360-degree security cameras, and even a fingerprint scanner at the entry door for ultimate peace of mind. For those who love freedom off the grid, the Global King 8 includes solar panels, a lithium-ion battery system, and a quiet diesel generator. Some models even include an onboard garage that can store a compact K-car for city exploring once you're parked. With a starting price of around 200 million yen, or roughly $1.3 million USD, the 2025 Global King 8 is not for the average traveler. But for those seeking the ultimate blend of freedom and opulence, it represents the pinnacle of Japanese engineering and design. If you enjoyed this look at Japan's most luxurious motorhome, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Flair for more amazing vehicles from around the world.